Welcome to Illingdon.
Yeah, welcome to Illingdon.
You need umbrella, don't like the game. You carry one?
Me don't need no umbrella.
You don't need one?
No.
Okay.
No umbrella. Yes, this is my point of view camera.
There's the bus stop if you want to take the bus and you
No, me I walk.
I'm just saying.
Walk where I walk.
Yeah, there's the bus stop.
Walk where I walk.
And there's this there.
Yeah. Welcome to England. Welcome back to the life of DJ Blazer outside in a UK. Me and my sister, you know, stop at one place named Greg's. We're gonna go look breakfast. Cause I never want cooking at the yard. Anyways, today packed with activities. I go circle some part of UK. I have my POV camera ready. So I'm gonna get some POV action. I have the drone ready. And the phone fully charged. And the backup charger, the mic, everything there. So, at the place to be.
Ice ring donuts.
Journey.
DJ Blazer! Last night and oops! Up on train station where I walk go, you know? Watch it, you know, no jaywalking. We're Buckingham Palace right now. Which part my sister live. Way over yonder. And I don't mind the bread dust on my beard. Because we just eat a bacon, egg and cheese business. But we are go over one train station. Me are going to the elapsed time walk with the POV camera. Fully gear up today, you know. But it's just a mini England vlog because I'm not there long. Yeah. So I think I go forward back very soon to go on a full England vlog. 20 miles per hour the people them have to drive on the road. Me, nobody don't cross Jamaica and New York ever again. Because them are English are deal with it wicked. 20 miles per hour. What is that? English people now watch it, you know. Them have some name boy, you know. Hey. New York girls, they might like the name there. Yeah, the swallow.
That's American.
the swallow.
Oh, you say it in British, the swallow.
No matter how you say it, whether American English or English. Swallow, swallow. Look on that train map here. And one thing me I tell you, this public transportation thing, you have to know where you go. Because if you don't know where you go, you're in a trouble. So we're there, one Victoria place, you know. Woo. I guess it's our next main train station, Victoria Station, yeah. And the vlog has bigger. Woo.
Like the juice and the stuff I like.
I lie.
I love seafood.
I mean, I eat seafood. I don't like seafood.
No.
No, I don't like seafood. Yeah, for those who are curious, I'm my first time at England. So yes, my friend, me a video everything. Freeze frame. And she a watch me. And now watch where she a go. And watch her now. Oh hell, I got me a record and a woman nearly bust her face. I want them to catch it. Me a go back and look. You know, the camera up on the chest on, you know, so we are walk go everywhere. Well, me can laugh because the lady never hurt herself. You understand? If she did hurt herself, it wouldn't dep on the vlog. Believe me. So you don't know, life of DJ Blazer continue through the streets of London. Just I do some quick video.
Yes.
So when time I reach, when time I do the elapse, yeah. Zenny I live here, Zenny I now do there something. Yeah, them British. They're fake though.
Yeah. So you expect them to be real?
Now I can bring it back, put in my studio. I say, yeah man, I want old school gun. You can't be proud for just the look. I can have a British can in my studio. Yeah. Isn't it? Watch ya. British can, man. One of a few highlighted moments in the UK with my sister. I haven't seen her in so much years. This really meant a lot to me. Going through the streets of London. And funny enough, people, she said our first time down the side here. So, I guess I'm not the only tourist today. So, there's a lot of people. You know how long she live in England and she said her first time down here. I saw it go because I live in New York and enough place. Me not going to New York until people were left from foreign war. What you mean? You have to have Nicholas Kelly and to do it, man.
I don't care for this.
No, but this is good.
What's good in this?
If you come look.
I don't want to.
Sure. We reach Buckingham Palace. Yeah. So we're gonna circle Buckingham Palace. Right. Look how me think me a video.
Yesterday I was kind of dressing rough and something told me don't dress too rough, you know. Yes.
Yeah, but that's where. Oh snap!
Come around this side.
Me have to fly me drone.
No, you can't.
Okay.
You cannot. You cannot. You crazy?
Not over here.
Honey, they won't even give you a warning. They'll just come out and
There's
arrest
a
you.
march. At least you caught.
So something must be going on.
Yeah.
Babe, take a picture of me by the gates.
Watch out. The vintage them are. Oh yes. I search them. Watch out. Oh snap. Search him, you can't. Oh, see the bomb detector there under the foot. Yeah. Wow.
These guys choose to come here.
See it here. England, we're there in Buckingham Palace. Tourist life. And it's raining. And I care less. It a rain and it cool. And I still care less. We do this tourist life. And my niece, she doesn't want no parts. May I take her out her element? She's like, uncle, I don't go to these places. But you don't know. We're there. Yeah. Royal Guards. Yeah. DJ Blazer. That me I talk about. That is it. Them just hail me a while ago. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna take some picture right now.
But you know these things mean something.
Gift of New Zealand. Yeah. Alright. Yo, I'm not telling a lie. I know enough of my English friend them not really do this car. I just like me. I got Statue of Liberty when me I travel America. When me live there, me not go there. But no man, this is beautiful. This is not something I want to do when I don't have liquor. As a matter of fact, make some time for myself. Make some time. This is beautiful. Yeah. When them work hard and make them a place here. Cha-cha. Wow. Queen Victoria. Yeah. Cha-cha. Big Buckingham Palace, man. Remember in a real life, me there, you know, reporting live. Live from Buckingham Palace, London City. Yeah. Just a savor the moment. And the vlog now give justice of how beautiful it is. And you have to appreciate them kind of beauty because you know see them every day. Well, me not see it every day. And since me I share the moment with you, all you have to do is just like, subscribe, share and comment. Life of BJ Blazer. It a rain and at the same color grade me I leave the video as. See how you like how you see it look on the camera, so the place look. Grey. Rain and fall I'm in a business. Fully active. Yeah, whole heap of people there take picture and video, so you know want to go in and number the video and number the picture. But may I enjoy this. Life of DJ Blazer continue with my British friend, our umbrella and our work. I would like to introduce to you the royal pigeon. He's just taking a stroll in the royal yard. A bunch of them, you know. These pigeons, they are very friendly. They are not scared of us humans. And they know their royalty, so if anybody should harm them, they are going to jail. Yeah, I want to big up DJ Blazer. Life of DJ Blazer. Give me a big up. Alright, something I go on there now. Yo, tell them big up Blazer again, we never hear. Yeah. Tell them good again. Yeah. See it there? Oh, you remember me I went up in a rain to a video, you know? Just hurry up, big me up and make me go on about my business. This is called devotion. One time I never then gone there and used to have.
No, I found it that one.
Yeah, these are proper guns now. See that I want to make mistake. Yeah. Yeah, ready. Come. See it there? I'm going to big up blazer now. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Yeah. Run our one part then gone. Yeah, very much. Perfect time. Perfect. Woo! I have my sister out in the rain. I have my niece out in the rain and down place where you know hot girl not get them ear wet. So I take everybody out of their comfort zone for my quick trip to London. And it is cold, but for some reason me hot. I must say too many and blazer. Alright, so we're gonna look some food now. We'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah. And all I'm doing is videoing. I'm just a vlogger. Look at Big Ben. Ain't that something? Yo! Just the other day, me go to Japan. Wait, what kind of money they spend? 549, and when they call it 10. When they talk about Big Ben, scene, come again. When they clock in a London name, Big Ben. Yo! Yeah. Yo, look on this architecture. Yo, and a normal architecture this you know. St. Margaret's Church. It's not normal.
They really put a lot of work.
Yes,
you know?
yes, and to preserve it.
Let me ask you about it then.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
Of course.
Of course, definitely.
Yo. Car spotting in London. See the brand new Ferrari. Oh, note that.
That's over the river.
Yo. Right now, done with the rain here. Open all up the vlogs. Life for DJ Blazer continue. I don't think I'm going to do no more vlogging for today. I go just find the train and go home. Praise God. Yeah. I go call Jesus. Jesus on the telephone. Tell him what you need right now. Yeah. I think I joke something. Oh, call me just call Jesus. Yeah, me just go call Jesus a while ago. So, what we gonna catch a bus here now or the train here or something? Across the road? Alright, yes, sir. Woo. Yo. Gotcha. Put this over here, sir.
This is going to be very interesting vlog. No, they don't mind, Lord. I mind. Yeah.
No, man, my dual camera.